Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you learn something from my channel, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. Today's our topic is polar and rectangular conversion. So first we want to know about what is a rectangular form. So in electrical engineering, you have to face with a capacitive and inductive reactance or reactance are there, and you have to solve this much type of example to convert a rectangular form to the polar form or polar form to the rectangular form. So first we want to know about what is a rectangular form here. Rectangular form having a imaginary and real axis, and we consider a one point here x and y. So if we want to write a point x and y in a rectangular form, so we can written like this: x plus jy, where j is equal to -1. In a complex solution, complex equations, we we have to put a value of j. So I mentioned here a value of j. Here are some more examples that we know. uh, First example is here one point is 3 and -1. So we can write this point in a rectangular form as a 3 minus 1j. Here one point is -4 -2. So we can write this point as -4 -2j. And here is a point that we have -3 and 2. So we can write this point as a -3 plus 2j. Okay. So now what is a polar form? So in a polar form, we consider a polar magnitude and polar angle here. Polar angle is the polar angle between r. It's a polar magnitude and x axis. So we having one angle theta, and we consider a polar magnitude where r is equal to root x square plus y square. Here is one example here. If we have a polar magnitude as a 5 and angle between x axis and 5, x axis and polar magnitude is -29.74. So we can write it like this: 5 angle minus 29.74 degree, or we can write this angle as 360 minus 29.74. So we can write it as a 5 angle 330 into 26 degree. So now further we first convert a rectangular form into a polar form, and then we convert a polar form into rectangular form of same example. So we can confirm it and verify it this example. So let's start. So here we have how to convert the rectangular form to the polar form. Here is one example. By example, you will learn easily. So we having one rectangular form as 5 plus 12j. Polar magnitude is root x square plus y square. So we can write here 5 square plus 12 square, and we get a magnitude as a 30. Here you can see the triangle, and we having a value 5, 12 and 13. We don't have a value of angle here. Now we want to find an angle which called as a polar angle. So the formation of the polar angle is tan inverse y upon x. So tan inverse 12 and 12 upon 5. So you can get a value as 67.38 degree. In a calculator, you can see this calculation. I also put a calculation here. So in a polar form, this is a common equation: polar magnitude, angle, sine of angle and polar angle. So you can write this rectangular form as 13 angle 67.38 degree. Okay, so now further we converting a polar form into a rectangular form. For this example, now we can start here how to convert polar to a rectangular form. So in a further example we get an answer like this. So to verify it, I am putting a polar form like this: 13 angle 67.38, and first you have to draw one figure that having a value of polar magnitude and polar angle. So in a 12th standard you already learned that this is a cos component and this is a sine component. Okay, so if you want to find this component, and this component is called as a real line or real component. Okay, and this component shown as an imaginary component. So first we are finding a real component here. So the equation of real component is polar magnitude into cos theta is equal to real component. You can see this much type of equation here also. So we can put a 13 cos 67.38 and you will get an answer of this 5. Okay, so now we want to find the imaginary component. So this is the equation of imaginary component is polar magnitude into a sine theta is equal to imaginary component, and we having a polar magnitude is 13 and theta is 67.38. So we can put these values in this equation. So we can write this equation like this: 13 sine 67.38, we are getting an answer as a 12. So we getting an answer as 12 here. Okay, y, this is a y and this is a x is a 5 and y is a 12. So rectangular form we can get as 5 plus 12j. Okay, and in a previous example you can see the rectangular form as like this. So this is verified, and our equation, our conversion is very easy to learn. Okay, and if you facing some problems in solving that much type of conversion, so please write a comment and I will give you a reply for that equations. Thank you so much for watching this video.